Hi ladies, I'm Alka. I'm here today to teach you how you can do threading at home. Yeah, how you can do your eyebrows at home. Yes, definitely. It won't be that perfect like you get it done in salons, but yes, you can definitely clean the areas of your threading. Your upper lip, lower lip, chin, forehead. Yeah, eyebrows will be little difficult, but definitely you can try. Yeah, I'm doing my threading on my own from years, so I have a very good experience in doing eyebrows, and I don't do with the tweezer and all. We will be using thread. Okay, so let's get started. For what you need is thread. Any thread is fine, but make sure it's not should be too thin and should not be too thick also. And we need powder. Any powder is okay. Yeah, basically powder we have to apply so that the area will be dry and the hair easily comes off, and a scissor so that we can shape this eyebrows here. Okay, so first you have to take your hand size of thread. Yeah, okay, cut it off, and you have to tie both ends, make a knot here. So now this is how your thread is. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, you have to 6 7 time you have to do the twisting. So we will have a nice twist to take the hair off. Okay, so this you have to practice a bit. Okay, when the twists are this side and when you are pulling this side, means the hair is stucking inside and coming off. Same way this side. Okay, this you have to practice a bit. Initially it will be difficult, so better not to draw do the shape, because you might take unwanted hair as well. So let's start with your upper lip. We'll dry the area. Okay, and you have to always remember one thing, that you have to pull your hair opposite direction of your hair growth. So my hair growth is towards the down, so I will do the threading towards the upper side. Yeah, so if I had to do this side, all twist should be this side, so that I can pull it this way. Okay, then again it will go back. So make sure your skin you are tightening, otherwise skin can get cut. Yeah, so be careful. I can feel, because my hair is coming off, so it's hurting, so I can make out the hair is coming off. Closer to the lip, you have to be very careful. Okay, yeah. So same this side as well, so that yeah. So now this, when you do this side, your hair growth is this way, so you have to pull it opposite side. Okay, so I'll apply powder first, pull my skin. I'm doing a little faster because I have a practice, but when you are doing, you have to be very careful, very slow. Now same with chin. Apply powder. Okay, so yeah, so our lower lip, upper lip and chin is over. Now we'll do the eyebrows. Okay, so here we have to be very careful because there is no shape to give here, but here we have to have a good shape. So first just take the middle part. Okay, just middle part. Now you have to do the measurement. Okay, what I mean, till what area you want hair. So my eyebrows is already neat because I do on my own. So but because see the hair growth is from here to upper side, so we have to pull it lower side. So our all the twist should be here and then upper side, then we can take it towards the downside. Just pull off towards the downside, both side. Yeah, make sure your thread doesn't take the hair which you don't want to remove. Then same way, yeah. Okay, don't try this down part, yeah, because it is very sensitive. Your skin can get cut, so better not to try this side. Yeah, just try this middle part and upper side, and your this threading, sorry, your upper lip, lower lip and all. Yeah, because here the skin also very thin, it can easily cut it. So you can do forehead this way. Yeah, so I hope this helps you. If there is any question or something, you can give me a call. Sorry, you can just text me. You can put it in the comment or you can message me in my inbox. Yeah. I'll see you soon with some other tip. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Stay safe.